Welcome back. In our last example, we explored two common commands from the matplotlib library, plot and show. In this video, we're going to explore how multiple plots can be combined into one display. Similar to our previous plot, we will store the coordinates of each vertex in separate lists. However, this time we will draw two quadrilaterals using a plot command for each rhombus. This means we will need a separate list for the x and y coordinates for the first rhombus and the x and y coordinates for the second. I will use x1, y1, x2, and y2 as variable names. Other names may be used instead, but these are logical as they represent the elements of the coordinates. Now that we have the arrays with the coordinates for each rhombus, we can move to the next step. Remember, the axis function with the text string equal as an argument makes the x and y axes scale equally. Now we call the plot function for each object separately. The lists are provided as arguments so the function knows where to place each vertex. Finally, the show function must be called at the end of the program to display the plots. The plot function may take the third optional argument, a color. If colors are not specified, the program will automatically use a different color for each object. Notice that the first rhombus is blue and the second one is green. Remember, when you want to display multiple objects together using matplotlib, you simply create separate lists with the coordinates and call the plot function for each object. I'll see you in the next video.